Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you why your smoke detector keeps beeping even after changing the batteries, and I will also show you how you can fix it properly. Now, a lot of people replace the batteries but forget to reset the alarm. So after installing the new battery, you just have to simply press and hold this particular test or the silence button for at least 15 to 20 seconds, and this is going to help clear the stored power, and it will also reset the internal warning system. Without this particular step, some of the alarms continue chirping even with a fresh battery installed. Now you need to also remove the battery, and then you just have to reinsert it carefully. Just make sure that the battery terminals are aligned correctly and the battery door closes fully. The battery is brand new and not partially drained. So some smoke alarms will chirp continuously if the battery compartment is even slightly loose. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is now working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.